Minasan, konnichiwa. Watashi no YouTube channel e yukoso. Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn about kore, sore, and are. Kore means this thing. It refers to an object or something that the speaker is holding or near the speaker. You can say kore wa. Let's take a look at this sentence pattern. Kore wa desu. Kore wa desu. Kore wa desu. Again, kore wa desu. So you just have to insert the name of the object or something. So kore wa desu. Let's take a look at some vocabulary words here that we can use. Here are some vocabulary words that we can use. Tekesto, empetsu, boropen, pen, nimotsu. Tekesto is the Japanese word for textbook. Empetsu is pencil. Boropen is ball pen. And fountain pen in Japanese is pen. Then we have nimotsu, which means luggage or baggage in Japanese. Again, kore wa desu. Kore wa desu means this is the name of the object or something. This is something. Kore wa tekesto desu. And that translates to this is a textbook. You can also say kore wa empetsu desu, which translates to this is a pencil. And you can also say kore wa boropen desu. Kore wa pen desu. Kore wa nimotsu desu. Again, kore wa desu. So we use this sentence pattern when an object or something is close to the speaker or near the speaker. Now let's talk about sore and are. Sore is used when something is near the person you are speaking to. Are is used when the speaker talks about something that isn't close either to himself or to the person he is speaking to. Sore, are. And we use the same sentence pattern for kore, sore, and are. Take note that kore means this thing, while sore and are means that thing. So we say kore wa desu. Sore wa desu. Are wa desu. We use this when we want to tell about an object or something, about what this or that thing is. And notice here that the sentence pattern is similar to watashi wa desu. We just change watashi with kore, sore, and are. Now, if you want to ask what an object or something is, you can say kore wa nan desu ka? Sore wa nan desu ka? Are wa nan desu ka? In Japanese, when you write a question, we add ka at the end. Nan here is short for nani, means what. So this simply translates to what is this? Kore wa nan desu ka? Kore wa nan desu ka? Kore wa nan desu ka? And you can also say sore wa nan desu ka? Are wa nan desu ka? Which translates to what is that? Sore wa nan desu ka? Are wa nan desu ka? Sore wa nan desu ka? Are wa nan desu ka? So when you're asked the question, Kore wa nan desu ka? You can respond kore wa desu. Kore wa nan desu ka? Kore wa desu. Again, kore wa nan desu ka? Kore wa nan desu ka? Kore wa desu. Kore wa desu. The same thing with sore and are. So you can say sore wa nan desu ka? Are wa nan desu ka? Then you would respond sore wa desu. Are wa desu. And again, to respond to the question, it depends on whether the object or something is near to the speaker. So if you ask sore wa nan desu ka? And the object is near the speaker, then the speaker would answer kore wa desu instead of using sore. Again, sore wa nan desu ka? Are wa nan desu ka? Sore wa desu. Are wa desu. Now, how do we say this or that thing is Jane's pencil in Japanese? So we use this sentence pattern here. Kore wa san no desu. Kore wa san no desu. And this translates to this is someone's something. Kore wa san no desu. In Japanese, san is an honorific title that is similar to Miss, Mr., or Mrs. It is a common and polite way to address someone, regardless their gender, and can be used with both first names and surnames. Take note that teachers are usually addressed as sensei rather than san, but it's already acceptable now to address a teacher as san. So if your teacher's name is Tanaka, you would say Tanaka sensei when addressing them directly, but you can say Tanaka-san when talking about them to someone outside the classroom. Again, kore wa san no desu. Kore wa san no desu. Say for example, kore wa Jane-san no enpitsu desu. Kore wa Jane-san no enpitsu desu. This translates to this is Jane's pencil. Kore wa san no desu. Kore wa san no desu. Now we can also write a question with this sentence pattern. We just add ka at the end. So we say, kore wa san no desu ka? Kore wa san no desu ka? Kore wa san no desu ka? This translates to, is this so-and-so's something? You can say, kore wa Jane-san no enpitsu desu ka? Kore wa Jane-san no enpitsu desu ka? This translates to, is this Jane's pencil? Again, kore wa san no desu ka? Kore wa san no desu ka? So you can use the same pattern with sore and are. When you are asked this question, kore wa san no desu ka? Then you can just simply answer, hai, kore wa san no desu. Hai, kore wa san no desu. Hai here means yes. Hai, kore wa san no desu. And this translates to, yes, this is so-and-so's something. Again, kore wa san no desu ka? Hai, kore wa san no desu. Kore wa san no desu ka? Hai, kore wa san no desu. Now, if the object is yours, then you can say watashi no desu. Watashi no desu. Watashi no desu, which translates to, it is mine. Or you can say anata no desu. Anata no desu. Anata no desu, which translates to it's yours. Again, kore wa san no desu ka? Kore wa san no desu ka? Watashi no desu. Anata no desu. Shimbun, isu, tabako, mengane, jitensha, hanabi, kasa, helicopter, hikoki, shimbun. In Japanese, newspaper is called shinbun. Chair, isu. Car is called jidosha or kuruma in Japanese. Tobacco is called tabako. Eyeglasses, mengane. Bicycle, jitensha. Fireworks, hanabi. Umbrella, kasa. Helicopter, helicopter. For airplane, hikoki. In Japanese, a present or a gift is called presento. Presento. And a group of buildings or housing complex is called danchi. Danchi. Now let's learn some useful phrases. Domo arigato. Domo arigato. When you want to thank someone for something. Domo arigato. Or when you want to say it in a more polite way, you can say arigato gozaimasu. Domo arigato gozaimasu. Arigato gozaimasu. Domo arigato gozaimasu. Again, domo arigato. Arigato gozaimasu. Domo arigato gozaimasu. Domo sumimasen. Sumimasen. Domo sumimasen. Sumimasen. This expression is used in various ways and can also be used to apologize. Domo sumimasen. Sumimasen. Domo sumimasen. Sumimasen. Now let's review all the phrases and words we've learned so far. Kore wa nan desu ka? Sore wa nan desu ka? Are wa nan desu ka? And this translates as, what is this? What is that? Kore wa nan desu ka? Sore wa nan desu ka? Are wa nan desu ka? Then you can answer, kore wa desu. Sore wa desu. Are wa desu. Which translates to, this is something. That is something. Kore wa san no desu ka? Kore wa san no desu ka? This translates to, is this so-and-so's something? And then you can respond, hai, kore wa san no desu. Hai, kore wa san no desu. Which translates to, yes, this is so-and-so's something. Or you can say, watashi no desu. Watashi no desu. Or, anata no desu. Anata no desu. That's all for now. Minasan, otsukare-sama desu. Till the next video, 気をつけて.